Is the Hawke Endurance Ed good for bird watching? If you are passionate about bird watching, you may be curious about the Hawke Endurance Extra-Low Dispersion spotting scope and how it performs. This spotting scope is designed to help birders observe their feathered friends with clarity and precision. Let's take a closer look at what makes this scope a potential choice for bird watching. First off, the optical quality of the Hawke Endurance Ed series stands out. It features extra-low dispersion glass, which minimizes color fringing, ensuring that the images are sharp and clear. This is particularly beneficial when observing birds at a distance, as it allows you to see fine details without distortion. Next, consider the magnification range. The Hawke Endurance Ed scopes come in several options, including magnifications of 15 to 45 times 60 millimeters, 20 to 60 times 85 millimeters, and 25 to 75 times 85 millimeters. This variety enables birders to choose the right scope based on how far they plan to observe birds, whether they are perched in nearby trees or flying in the sky. Durability is another important factor for bird watchers. The Hawke Endurance Ed scopes are fully waterproof and fog-proof. This means you can use them in various weather conditions without worrying about moisture affecting the performance. Whether you are out on a rainy day or in humid environments, this scope is built to last. The focus system is user-friendly as well. Models like the Hawke Endurance Ed 25 to 75 times 85 millimeter scope feature a dual focus system. This allows for quick adjustments, making it easier to track birds in flight or get a clear view of a bird that is moving quickly. For practical applications, the Hawke Endurance Ed scopes perform well even in challenging conditions. They provide clear views during the day, even when heat shimmer can distort images. This feature is particularly useful for birders who want to spot birds from a distance without losing clarity. In summary, the Hawke Endurance Ed spotting scopes are well equipped for bird watching. With their high-quality optics, durable design, and user-friendly features, they can enhance your birding experience. If you are looking for a reliable spotting scope for observing birds, the Hawke Endurance Ed series is certainly worth considering.